In this short video tutorial, we will talk about the meta tag that you write inside the head section of your web page. So in the previous video tutorial, we understood about the title tag. Now we will use the same code and we will add the meta tag to this web page. The meta tag is used to provide additional information about the web page, like the description about the web page, the brief description, or the keywords that this web page is targeting, or the name of the author for the web page. So all these kind of informations about the web page you can provide by making use of the meta tag. The meta tag is not visible to the human eye, like the title tag is visible on top of the browser window, but the meta tag is not visible to us. But the meta tag has a great importance when it comes to the search engine optimization. So let's see how to create the meta tag. To create the meta tag, you have to give the name of the tag meta space. Then you have to give the name. The name attribute tells that what type of meta tag are we creating. So let's say we are creating a meta tag called description. So we will write name equal to description. So whatever description you want to give to your web page, you will have to give the description in the content section. So the meta tag has two important attributes. One is the name and the second one is the content. So the name tells what type of meta tag we are creating, and the content tells what content we want to provide for that particular meta tag. So let's say in the content I write this is the description of my page. So now we have given the name attribute, and in the content attribute we have given the content as this is the description of my web page. And now we will be closing the meta tag. Now to close the meta tag, you have to put the forward slash and you have to give the angle bracket. So like over here you see the title tag has been closed in this manner, but the meta tag I have closed in this manner. So the meta tag contains two attributes, and to close it I have written the forward slash and then the angle bracket. So this is also one of the ways in which we close any tag in any markup language. So either you can close it this way or you can close it by simply putting the forward slash and the angle bracket. So remember that the meta tag is normally closed in this manner. So this is the description meta tag that we have created. Let me create another meta tag. So I'll give it a name as keywords, and I will give the content as let's say I want to give the keywords as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So I've given three keywords to my meta tag, and now I'll close the tag by putting the forward slash and the angle bracket. So this is how you can add meta tags to your web page, and using these tags, you can provide additional information about your web page, and this additional information will be used by search engine optimization or other automated softwares when they will come and read your web page. So to save this web page, I will press Ctrl S from my keyboard and I will go back to the browser where we have already opened this web page, and I will click the refresh button, and now the new page has been loaded. But as I told you, the meta tag is not visible to the eye, so you will not be able to see the meta tag. But if you want to see that whether the new HTML has been loaded or not, you can right click on your web page and you can select view page source. So when you will open the page source, you will notice that in the head section, this is the title tag which we created earlier, and these are the meta tags that we added to the web page. So by choosing the option of view page source, you will be shown the source code or the HTML for the web page that you are looking at in the browser. So with this, I hope you have understood how to add the meta tags in the head section of your web page. So with this, we will end our short tutorial here. To access our complete web development course, please visit openeschool.com/webdevelopment. Also, please subscribe to our channel to get regular updates. Thank you.